all. So for the first time, I'm here to tell you all something really different and really good. So ఎప్పుడు ప్రమోషన్ వీడియోస్ కాకుండా టిక్టాక్ వీడియోస్ కాకుండా ఆర్ బ్యూటీ వీడియోస్ కాకుండా, right? So we all know 28th May is a menstruation day. I don't know how many of you know, but personally I know that is 28th is a menstruation day. Asal what is menstruation, what is period, asal what is all this? So few people know that, okay, few boys know that periods or menstruation is something that girls bleed every month for 5 or 6 or 7 days from their vagina, and some people think it's something really awkward, not really nice, and some people think I'm good, right? So I am the third category, that I'm good, I'm very normal, and it's common, everybody gets it. So I'm here to tell you all or share my period story. So after sharing my period story, then I would come to the point. So when I was in 7th grade, I got my first period. I wrote my exam, I came home, and the thing happened. So that's when my mom, everybody, the whole family got to know. Like my mom called everybody, and it was very I didn't know what is periods or what exactly was it, or why I was kept aside, and I shouldn't touch anybody for 11 days. If you're a Hindu, if you're a girl of my age, I think you would have faced this, right? So you should sit aside, you shouldn't touch anybody, you shouldn't eat spices, you shouldn't eat whatever, okay? So yes, coming to the point, also no boy should see us, nobody should touch us, and I think mana chinnappudu or whatever, mana grandparents age appudu, everyone was supposed to sit outside the house. They're not even supposed to come to the house, inside the house, and we shouldn't go to the temples, we shouldn't touch anything, we shouldn't be like we should be like untouchables. So I really didn't know what it was, why, but yeah, నాకు ఫస్ట్ టైం పీరియడ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు that's what they did. నన్ను పక్కన కూర్చోపెట్టారు and ఎవరిని ముట్టుకోనివ్వలేదు. I wasn't supposed to eat any spices or anything, or except pappu and all that. But yes, I believe even today eating spices during periods is not good. So maybe that was good, but I really didn't know that ఎందుకు అలాగా అని. But the second time also నన్ను ఇట్లా కూర్చోపెడతాను అని చెప్తే I said no, I'm not sitting, why should I sit, I'm normal, I'm getting my period, I'm good, I'm normal. I said I won't sit. So what is your period story, right? So మనం ఎంతమంది చూసారు that if we go to a medical shop, they would just wrap it in a newspaper and give it. I didn't know that why, enduku newspaper lo enduku, why should they wrap it? In supermarkets it's really normal. Supermarkets lo it's really normal that everybody does it, which is really good. And make sure boys also should know all this, like they can get your pads, tampons, they should know what is periods, and they should know the mood swings you have. And why would girls have mood swings when they are on periods? And we would bleed from the vagina just because our ovary is something that should the sperm, the one sperm that should go into ovary, and actually it should get fertilized. And if it's not getting fertilized, and that's when every month periods comes, okay? That's when the period comes every month. So if that egg is fertilized, and that's when you're pregnant. So when you're not pregnant, you would get the periods every month. But there are so many problems for girls that every month, or there is something called PCOS, there is something called thyroid, which girls wouldn't get periods regularly. And I personally I'm healthy, I have healthy periods. And girls who actually having a toxic relationships, having toxic boyfriends, I'm really sorry. Like I really don't know what to talk, because there are so many things that you're supposed to face, you know. Unprotected sex is something really horrible, and that's when you're supposed to consume some stupid tablets, and that's when your body, your health, your periods are messed up, right? So here I'm requesting everybody to just see periods as a really common thing, because girls itself treat it very horrible. I'm on my periods. Oh, why? But అమ్మాయి పక్కన నుంచి అని మాట్లాడితే దట్స్ వాట్, అయ్యో ఎందుకు నువ్వు అలా చెప్తున్నావు అందరికీ. చిల్, ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ పీరియడ్స్. So it's fine, it's completely fine that every guy should respect it. Every guy should know what is periods. Every guy should treat you really good when you're on your period, because you would have mood swings when you're on periods. ఎందుకంటే we would suffer from that pain. I can say that if you, like, మీరు ఇమాజిన్ కూడా చేసుకోలేరు కొంతమందికి ఎంత హారిబుల్ పెయిన్ వస్తుందో. కొంతమంది they're absolutely fine, they wouldn't have any good, they won't have any pains, but there are few girls who face horrible pains, and ఆ కోపంలో that's common that girls get mood swings and they would just cry, or they're happy, they cry, they eat a lot, it's okay. So stop being, you know, a horrible boy or a horrible boyfriend. If you treat your girlfriend like a queen when she's on your periods, hats off to you. Because when I was in a relationship, I think my ex-boyfriend treated me really good when I'm on my periods. So let's share your period story and spread it. It's nothing wrong, it's common that every girl gets it, okay? So there are lots to know about periods, so it's not very awkward, it's not very stupid, okay? So treat girls properly, and if possible, there are so many girls in villages that they don't know what are pads, what are sanitary napkins, what are tampons. They would use cloth, and that cloth is just not good, it's not healthy. They would get all rashes and stuff there, you know. The girls should face even cancer sometimes because of those sanitary napkins. So you're supposed to respect her, but not see her like a piece of shit or whatever. I'm so sorry I'm talking like this, because I've seen so many stories outside, and due to this reason, that it's a menstruation day, I'm talking, and I would be nominating few of more girls to speak like this, because it's better. The more we spread, the more good it's gonna be. Thank you.